How to fix privacy settings. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix privacy settings on tweets. So first thing, go to your tweets, and here guys you will find this icon here. Wait for a second. You will find this icon here. All you need to do is tap on it and you will find here your privacy settings. So you will find here all those options: mentions, muted, hidden words, profile and follow, blocked, hide likes, whatever you want. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.